Hi, in this video I will show you how to convert your photos to amazing line art photos. Create your new design. Go to apps and make search for sketch apps. Exist many apps. You can choose this one, sketch to life or photo to sketch or cartoonify. This one or this one also, and this one as you want. For me, I will choose sketch up. We'll choose this one, photo to sketch. Upload your picture that you want. Make transparent background and wait. See, that is good. So resize your picture. I will choose another picture also. Go back. Choose this car. And filter strength to 5. Transform to sketch. See that is make sketched photo now. I will choose another picture. Go back. Remove background. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching this video.